door.
Hey, it's been 2 years, 2.5 years since the last time we were here.
Here we come with the elevator at the Holiday Inn in Splash Lagoon.
Splash Lagoon,
Splash
Erie,
Lagoon,
Pennsylvania.
Yep,
Look at
in
this.
Erie, Pennsylvania.
This button is all cracked.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at this. They need to replace these.
Yeah, it's just cracked. The whole station doesn't look too good. Yeah, we're gonna be waiting for. Oh, that one's open. Okay.
All right.
Wow. Just look at. Well, look at this.
All right.
This leather doesn't look that good.
Let's go to 5.
Yeah.
This door closed button is missing its cap. The 4th floor button's cracked.
Wow. Some of this right here looks real bad. Wow. Well.
All right. Now this isn't good. Look at that vent. This panel's all screwed up. Look at that. These elevators have sure seen better days. Let's try to do the other elevator now. We first filmed this in 2008.
The last time I filmed this one was back in 2020.
All right, here we go. Check that out.
Wow, this is.
I had it ding twice. That's going up. That's screwed up.
But
That's already off.
that's supposed to be the thing twice we're down, but not up, right?
That's not even barely lays up.
Okay, let go for this one.
It's the franchise hotel. It don't even work.
Wow.
Like I said, these things have seen better days.
Why is this so terrible?
The other one's missing this.
Yeah.
Watch this. It seems to start going before the door closes all the way.
It's so slow. The doors.
These are 2001. All right.